Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is x plus y. This is equal to 6 multiplying by square root of x, y. What is the value of x over y? Let's provide a solution here. Now, from what we have here, we have x plus y. This is equal to 6 times square root of x, y. The first thing to do here, let's square both sides. Let's square both sides so that now x plus y squared, this is in the form of a plus b squared, which can be expressed as a squared plus 2 times ab, then plus b squared. Applying this algebraic identity, then we'll have here x squared plus y squared, then plus 2xy. This is equal to, now from this part here, we have 6 squared, which is 36, multiplied by square root of xy squared means that we eliminate the square root sign, so times x, y. So we have x squared plus y squared plus 2xy, then this is equal to 36xy. Let's take 36xy on the left hand side so that we have x squared plus y squared plus 2xy, subtract 36xy, this is equal to 0. So this implies that we have x squared plus y squared, subtract, this is 2xy minus 36xy, subtract 34xy, this is equal to 0. Now, the next step from here, let's divide both sides here by xy. So it will be x squared divided by xy, then plus y squared divided by xy, subtract 34xy divided by xy, this is equal to 0. So by simplifying here, we'll have x squared divided by x. This implies we'll have x over y, then plus y squared divided by y. This implies here we'll have y over x, subtract xy, simplifies here, subtract 34. This is equal to 0. Now, from here, we have that x over y plus y over x. So we can just have that let x over y be equal to m. Let x over y be equal to m. Now we have x over y is equal to m. Substituting this, now y over x, this is the same thing as the reciprocal of this, which is 1 over m. So let's substitute this. We have m plus 1 over m, subtract 34, this is equal to 0. So m is our own number, so it's over 1, and 34 is our own number, so it's over 1. Let's multiply everything here by m, so times m here, times m, and here times m. So this is m times m, which is m squared, then plus m and m simplifies here, so plus 1, subtract 34 times m, which is 34m, this is equal to 0. So this is m squared minus 34m plus 1, this is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation of the form am squared plus bm plus c, this is equal to 0. From this quadratic equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 34, and c is equal to 1. So this implies that we have that m. So for m, we introduce the quadratic formula, that minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c over 2 times a. So substituting the values of a, b, and c, we have minus 34 plus or minus the square root of b squared, this is minus 34 squared, then subtract 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 1. All this divided by 2 times 1. So this implies that we have minus times minus 34, which is 34, plus or minus the square root of negative 34 squared, which is equal to 1156, subtract minus 4 times 1, this is minus 4, over 2. This is actually over 2. So this is equal to 34 plus or minus the square root of 1156 minus 4, this is 1152, divided by 2. So here we have 34 plus or minus, we can express the square root of 1152 as square root of 64 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 9. All this divided by 2. So this implies we have 34 plus or minus the square root of 64, this is 8, the square root of 9, this is 3, then square root of 6. All this divided by 2. So this implies here we have 34 plus or minus 8 times 3, this is 24, square root of 16. Square root of 6. So let's divide both signs by 2, so that 34 divided by 2, this is equal to 17, plus or minus 24 divided by 2, this is 12, square root of 6. And you find that this is what is m. M is equal to 17 plus or minus 12 square root of 6. And if you recall, we are saying that let m be equal to x over y, so that x over y is equal to 17 plus or minus 12 square root of 6. And this is the solution to this algebra problem. This is the solution to this algebra problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. Kindly like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.